Okay, we are over here at my parents' house. My dad's putting up a nice 30 by 50 Quonset building. So if you have not seen one of these buildings put together before, I'm going to film this whole assembly as we do this. We're getting ready to pour the concrete. Got the footers in. Got the base stone put down. Concrete's getting poured on Monday. Heated floors. We are going to rent a electric scissor lift once we get the concrete poured to actually assemble the building. But just want to give you a shot of the site prep. We are about a foot off a level, so you can definitely see it in the front. Going to do underground utilities from the main barn over. Also spray foam insulation, so it should be a pretty nice setup when it's done. We're doing a garage door on this side, 12 footer. Also the same thing on the other side, 12-foot garage door. So what they are going to do is they're actually going to fill these blocks with concrete, and the building is going to bolt right to these blocks or sit right on it the whole way around. Got the beginnings of the driveway, the rough driveway. We put some large stone down first as a base layer. So yeah, just racing against wintertime now. It's one of the last nice days I think we're going to have in October, 75 degrees. Big storm front coming in. On the other side of that storm front, it's like 43 degrees. So this might be the last t-shirt day.
I'll probably have to run the ratchet. All right. Getting close. A little bit more. There we go. I can't see here.